Welcome back to our channel, where today we're taking you on a virtual tour to unveil the 15 most beautiful islands in the Mediterranean. Get ready to be immersed in crystal clear waters, stunning natural landscapes, and rich cultural heritage as we explore these hidden gems. From the enchanting allure of Santorini to the untouched beauty of Corsica, each island offers a unique slice of paradise waiting to be discovered. Pack your virtual bags and let's set sail to discover the Mediterranean's most stunning islands. The Mediterranean is home to some of the most beautiful and sought-after islands in the world. Each one has its own charm, history, and secrets waiting to be uncovered. Our virtual tour will take you on a journey through this enchanting region, highlighting the must-visit destinations and hidden gems that make it truly unique. One of the first stops on our tour is Santorini, Greece, renowned worldwide for its spectacular sunsets that paint the sky in vibrant hues. Santorini boasts iconic whitewashed buildings adorned with blue domes that beautifully contrast against the Aegean Sea. The island is also home to unique and breathtaking volcanic beaches, offering an unforgettable experience with their distinctive black and red sands. Capri, Italy. Renowned for its stunning, rugged landscape, Capri boasts upscale hotels that offer unparalleled luxury. Among its many attractions, the Blue Grotto stands out, a mesmerizing dark cavern where the sea inside glows a spectacular electric blue, creating an almost surreal experience for its visitors. Corsica, France. This stunning island offers a unique blend of stylish coastal towns where culture and leisure meet, dense forests that are a haven for nature lovers, and the craggy peaks of the GR20, which is recognized as one of Europe's most challenging and scenic hiking trails. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Corsica is the place to be. Mallorca, Spain. This breathtaking island is celebrated for its pristine beaches, the stunning Serra de Tramuntana mountain range that offers hiking and breathtaking views, and its vibrant capital, Palma, which is rich in history and culture. Mallorca offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. Crete, Greece. The largest island in Greece, Crete presents a diverse range of landscapes, captivating visitors with its fine sand beaches like those at Elefonici and the majestic White Mountains. This island blends stunning natural beauty with rich historical sites, offering something for everyone. Sardinia, Italy. This stunning island is home to some of the Mediterranean's most seductive beaches, with crystal clear waters and fine golden sands that are a paradise for beach lovers. Yet beyond its alluring coastline, much of Sardinia's interior remains rugged and unspoiled, offering a striking contrast with its wild landscapes and dense forests that beckon adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Ibiza, Spain. While world-renowned for its electrifying nightlife and vibrant party scene, Ibiza offers much more than just dance clubs and bars. It's also a sanctuary of tranquility with its quiet, picturesque villages, serene yoga retreats nestled in nature, and stunning beaches boasting crystal-clear waters and soft, sandy shores. This island truly has something for everyone, whether you're seeking adventure in the bustling nightlife or peace and relaxation in its more secluded spots. Mykonos, Greece. Renowned worldwide for its cosmopolitan atmosphere, Mykonos is the jewel of the Aegean Sea that draws visitors with its vibrant nightlife, golden beaches, and crystal-clear waters. This picturesque island offers a unique blend of traditional Greek culture and modern luxury, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. Sicily, Italy. This stunning island offers a treasure trove of historic sites for exploration, including the awe-inspiring Valley of the Temples, where ancient Greek ruins stand against the test of time, and the majestic Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, offering breathtaking views. Additionally, Sicily boasts beautiful beaches with crystal-clear waters, perfect for relaxation and soaking in the Mediterranean sun. Var, Croatia. Var is renowned for its remarkable Gothic palaces that tell tales of its rich historical tapestry, stunning pebble beaches that offer serene respites beside crystal-clear waters, and expansive lavender fields that paint the landscape in vibrant hues of purple, adding a fragrant touch to the air. Kefalonia, Greece. This stunning island is renowned for its crystal-clear blue waters, particularly at the breathtaking Myrtos Beach, one of the most picturesque spots in the region. Kefalonia is also dotted with charming villages, each offering a unique glimpse into the local culture and lifestyle, making it a perfect destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and cultural immersion. Cyprus, this island nation, is a captivating blend of stunning beaches, ancient archaeological sites, and extensive mountain trails, which together create a unique cultural fusion. Its coastlines offer pristine sandy beaches and clear blue waters, perfect for relaxation and water sports. The interior boasts a wealth of historical treasures, from Byzantine churches to Greek temples, telling the tales of civilization's past. The rugged terrain of its mountains appeals to hikers and nature lovers, providing breathtaking views and a serene escape from the bustling cities. Cyprus is truly a place where history and nature coalesce, offering something for everyone. Majorca, Spain. Not only is this stunning island celebrated for its sun-soaked beaches that stretch across the coastline, but it is also renowned for the breathtaking Cap de Formentor cliff, offering spectacular views that leave visitors in awe. Additionally, the Serra de Tramuntana mountains add to the island's diverse landscape, providing hiking enthusiasts with an array of trails that weave through the heart of Majorca's natural beauty. Rhodes, Greece. This captivating island offers a rich historical tapestry that weaves through eras, featuring its medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, alongside stunning beaches that stretch along the Aegean Sea. Rhodes is not just a gateway to the past with its ancient ruins and historical sites, but also a paradise for beach lovers seeking crystal-clear waters and sun-drenched sands. Malta, this breathtaking island, is renowned for its rich history, marked by a succession of rulers including the Romans, Moors, Knights of St. John, French, and British. It is home to numerous historical sites that tell tales of its complex past. Additionally, Malta boasts stunning natural features like the Azure Window, a natural limestone arch that was a famous landmark until its collapse in 2017. The island's unique blend of cultural influences and natural beauty makes it a captivating destination for travelers. Each of these islands draws visitors from around the world, captivating them with a unique blend of breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and exquisite local cuisine. These elements combine to make them stand out as some of the most enchanting and beautiful destinations in the Mediterranean. The allure of crystal-clear waters, pristine beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant markets ensures an unforgettable experience for every traveler seeking beauty and adventure in this picturesque region. If you enjoyed this journey through some of the Mediterranean's most enchanting islands, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel content. Embark with us on more adventures to discover the world's hidden gems and stunning destinations.